Welcome to day 75 of my 90-day challenge. So for 90 days, I am highlighting a college major, letting you know what it's about, what courses to expect in college, and what are some of the career paths you can get into with these degrees. Today, we're talking about communication, so let's get started. Communication involves the study of mass media, technical communication, and advertising. So this major prepares you to work as a human relations specialist in industry, government, and other communication fields. As a communication student, you will learn the processes involved in human interactions. You will also develop skills in critical thinking, interpersonal communication, writing and speaking using communication concepts, as well as the role and function communication plays in modern society and social media. At Michigan State, as a communication major, you will learn and develop skills in areas such as analytics research methods, intercultural communication, interpersonal communication, mediated communication, health communication, social influence, or organizational communication. When it comes to incentives, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, as of 2020, the median pay for broadcast technicians was about $50,000 a year, which translates to about $24 an hour. When it comes to job outlook, the employment growth rate for broadcast technicians is projected to grow by 21% from 2020 to 2030. This means there's a huge demand for broadcast and sound engineering technicians. Loving what you're hearing so far? Support this video by giving it a like, and let's look at some of the courses to expect when majoring in communication. At Michigan State, some of the courses to expect for this major include Introduction to Interpersonal Communication, Introduction to Organizational Communication, Human Communication, Effects of Mass Communication, Methods of Communication Inquiry, Interpersonal Influence and Conflict, Health Communication, and Sales Communication. You could also choose to concentrate in interpersonal communication, mediated communication, organizational communication, health communication, intercultural communication, social influence, or communication science, analytics, and research methods. Each concentration has its own set of courses, so it's always a good idea to talk to your academic advisor to make sure that you're planning out your semesters optimally and you're not wasting time and money taking unnecessary classes. Books and tuition can be very expensive. You're also encouraged to participate in undergrad research, independent study, study abroad, or internships in order to graduate with a degree in communication. For a full list of courses offered for this major, specifically at Michigan State, I will leave a link in the description for you to check out after this video. Still with me? Let me know by answering the question in the comment section below, and let's look at some of the career paths you can get into with a degree in communication. With a degree in communication, apart from becoming a broadcast technician, you could also become a journalist, speechwriter, public relations specialist, a communication specialist, a photographer, a video producer, creative director, or a sales executive. Apart from industry or working for the government, you could also further your studies in grad school and work your way to becoming an academic professor. Do you know any communication student or graduate? How about sharing this video with them to show them that you know something about their major? Also, if you want to learn more about college majors, careers, and undergrad research tips, consider subscribing, especially if you're a Michigan State University student, because I use MSU resources as examples in most of my videos. Watch this video next, and I will see you all tomorrow as we discuss communicative science and disorders. Jackie Phi, out.
I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us.